I've set up a new area up here for the birds to play around in. It's got a whole bunch of new things. I've also opened the gap in the cage area here so they can get into this bit in here. So if the teals want to play in this bit, they can. But this up here is mainly for the doves to forage around, and Emma seems to be pretty interested in some of this stuff. No, she doesn't want to use that. It may look like she's sitting on there, but it's like one foot is on my finger and the other's. It's so cute when she just keeps holding on to me. No, I don't eat the poo, babe. I need to use a different cover. Don't eat that. What the hell was that? Oh, it's a seed. It's alright. She's got better eyes than me. She's like, well, what can I play with first? She's probably going to go somewhere else, I bet. The only thing I haven't got up here at the moment is water. But I'm going to add that in a little bit. I like to keep the water in their cages so that they have something to look forward to when they go back in. That, and they don't each tread poo in the shared water. Anyway, I'm going to end the video here. She could take another 5-10 minutes before realising what she wants to do. She's pretty indecisive recently. She's going to scratch her head though, I bet, before doing any of it. No. Try and get it from the other side. Hope you all have a lovely day.